Okay, let's talk about what we got in my hand right here, which is the perfect shawarma. And why can a shawarma teach you how to cook good? Well, let's do this. Unwrap a vision. We're gonna break down why this tastes good. First things first, heavy on the lamb, okay? So lamb, deep umami, and it's got the roasting action on there, which is a Maillard reaction we talked about. That's where the caramelization of proteins and amino acids. You've got tomato in there, that's heavy umami, okay? You're now dipping it in a yogurt dip here, right? That gives it a little bit of acidity. The yogurt gives it a nice acidity, which is one of our other food categories. So you've got acidity, umami, you've got the Maillard reaction happening, you've got umami in the tomatoes, and then you've got cabbage for crunch. We talk about texture all the time in cooking. And then finally, there's a heavy lemon on the dressing on the cabbage and also on the lettuce, and that gives it a good acidity. So you've got sour, umami, salt, it's heavily salted and spiced, which makes a huge difference, fragrant spices. And then for sweet, you've got this tiny little bit of red sauce they do. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna give that a tongue. This gives the little sweetness. So now you've got 4 of the 5 flavor elements all in a shawarma. Let's see what this tastes like. Perfectly satisfying. $10. So next time you're cooking, remember Maillard reaction, caramelized meats. Remember salt, sweet, spicy. Remember a little tang or sourness from yogurt. Hit some of those flavor elements and your dishes will taste better. Thank you.